Agile Manifesto. So yeah, so within this section, we'll discuss the overview of Agile, Agile values, and Agile principles. So let's go into it. So what is basically Agile? Agile is a mindset. So, contrary to how it is perceived in minds of a lot of people, how what they think is, if you have a daily stand-up meeting, basically there are four meetings, right? Daily stand-up, sprint planning meeting, sprint retrospective, and if you have those meetings and people come in those meetings and answer those questions and do the planning, they think that is agile. But it is not just like you are just doing some mechanical ceremonies. That's not agile, right? It is basically the first thing about agile is a mindset. You have to people who are practicing agile, they have to have that agile mindset, right? And what is this mindset based on? This mindset is based on four values which we are going to discuss in next slide. So what this basically the people who are playing leadership role or working in these agile teams, they have to have this agile mindset which is guided by these four values which we are going to discuss in next slide. And these values are described by 12 principles. So these values are backed by 12 agile principles which we are going to discuss in next slide. And uh, and these principles are applied through various agile practices. For example, Scrum, self-organizing team, definition of done, cadence, time box, and retrospective. And then it is supported by various frameworks and tools. For example, design thinking, XP, Scrum, and Safe. So what are these four? Basically, Scrum is one of the agile frameworks. Only it is the most popular one, but that doesn't mean there are not other agile frameworks. So remember that there are so many other agile framework, and Scrum is the most popular one, but there are others like design thinking, XP, Safe. Yeah, so that's the core idea of agile. Let's go inside these values, principles, and Scrum one by one in coming slides.